road users. In this module, you will learn how to deal with vulnerable road users. When dealing with vulnerable road users, such as pedestrians, school children, people of determination, cyclists, and scooter riders, always remember and apply the 3S routine. Space. Ensure there is enough space for at least 1.5 meters when passing them. Speed. Lower your speed. Ensure you can give way or stop well in advance if necessary. Sound. Lightly tap on the horn to communicate your presence. Do this only if you feel the road user may come into your path. Pedestrians. It is important to know that pedestrians have priority. They do not have any protection, unlike drivers or passengers in the car. While they have designated paths and crossing areas, they may cross from anywhere. They may be difficult to see, especially at night. They may not be aware of the traffic rules. They may not be aware of vehicular speeds. They may be new to the area. They may have different orientation of traffic. Some may have impaired hearing or vision. Do's and don'ts when dealing with pedestrians. Do's. Motorists shall always give priority to pedestrians. Give way or stop if necessary. Look carefully if passing a stopped vehicle in front of you. That vehicle may be giving way to a pedestrian who is trying to cross the road. Be more cautious when driving at night. Anticipate sudden movements or change of direction. Don'ts. Never assume the pedestrian has seen you. Never blast your horn in their presence. Do not rev up or speed up where there are pedestrians or on busy streets. Never ignore the priority rule. School children. When dealing with school children, always remember that school children have the priority. Due to their size, they may be difficult to see. They are not able to judge the speed of vehicles. They are not yet aware of traffic rules. They may move without care of the surroundings. They are playful and carefree. Due to their size, they are most vulnerable in the case of a collision. Do's and don'ts when dealing with school children. Do's. Motorists shall always give priority to school children. Exercise more caution when near school areas or school children, or even in residential areas. Anticipate sudden movements, especially around school buses. Don'ts. Never assume they know how to behave in traffic. Never blast your horn in their presence. Do not rev or speed up where there are school children or at school areas or near school buses. Never ignore the priority rule. People of determination. When dealing with people of determination, it is important to know that they have priority. Due to their condition, they may move slower. They may have impaired vision or hearing. Their reaction to things may be slower or exaggerated. They may be easily agitated or startled. At parking areas, they may be difficult to spot if they are using wheelchairs. Do's and don'ts when dealing with people of determination. Do's. Motorists shall always give priority to people of determination. Exercise more caution when near them, especially when reversing in parking areas. Be patient. Expect minor delays due to their slower movements. Don'ts. Do not rush them. Don't assume they will move quickly. Never blast your horn in their presence. Do not rev up or speed up where there are people of determination. Never ignore the priority rule. Dealing with cyclists. When dealing with cyclists, always remember that cyclists have priority. They do not have any protections, unlike drivers or passengers in the car. They may be difficult to see, especially at night. On busy streets, cyclists may ride counter to your direction. On bumpy roads or sandy road surfaces, the cyclist may wobble and fall in your path. Like pedestrians, cyclists may also be unpredictable. Cyclists may come from any direction, even between parked cars. They may have different orientation of traffic. Cyclists' speed may reach up to 20 kilometers per hour. There are designated bike lanes in many areas across Dubai. Do's and don'ts when dealing with cyclists. Do's. Motorists shall always use caution when turning. Check your mirrors before opening your door if you are exiting your vehicle. Give priority, give way or stop if necessary. Be more cautious when driving at night. Stay out of bike lanes. Anticipate sudden movements or changes of direction. Hold steering firmly with two hands for better control of your vehicle. Don'ts. Never assume the cyclist has seen you. Never blast your horn when so close to the cyclist. Do not rev up or speed up where there are cyclists on busy streets. Never ignore the priority rule. Dealing with scooter riders. When dealing with scooter riders, it is important to know that scooters have priority. They do not have any protections, unlike drivers or passengers in the car. They may be difficult to see, especially at night. On busy roads, scooter may ride counter to your direction. On bumpy roads or sandy road surfaces, the scooter may wobble and fall into your path. Like pedestrians, scooter riders may also be unpredictable. Scooters may come from any direction, even between parked cars. Scooter riders may have limited understanding of traffic. Scooter speed may be higher than those of cyclists, up to 40 km per hour. There are designated shared bike and scooter lanes in many areas across Dubai. Do's and don'ts when dealing with scooter riders. Do's. Motorists shall always use caution when turning, also when accelerating on a T-junction coming from a stop sign. Check the mirrors before opening your door if you are exiting your vehicle. Give priority, give way, or stop if necessary. Be more cautious when driving at night. Stay out of bike, scooter lanes. Anticipate sudden movements or changes of direction. Hold steering firmly with two hands for better control of your vehicle. Don'ts. Never assume the scooter rider has seen you. Never blast your horn when so close to the scooter riders. Do not rev up or speed up where there are scooter riders on busy streets. Never ignore the priority rule.